Edye beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making pakora. What's pakora, you ask? Well, it's a traditional Indian fried fritter, but we are making it vegan and we are making it baked instead of the traditional fried. While visiting Mumbai in 2017, we went to a local street fair, and this is where I tried my very first pakora. I'm bringing it to you. This recipe, along with the products you see me using here, will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, OMNIA Stovetop Oven Fans, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Click the notification button, hit the like button, and if you love our content, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. It's the only way we can bring you these cooking videos. We also have a cookbook, of course, on Amazon, available as an ebook as well, Outdoor Cooking with Edye. Ding. Stu and I are celebrating our 13th year of our wedding this weekend. We are doing a happy anniversary giveaway. We are giving away this perforated baking tray. What do you have to do? Well, comment happy anniversary on this video, on this YouTube video. Happy anniversary, and you'll be eligible to win this perforated baking dish if you're a subscriber of our Facebook group and a member of Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make pakora. Come join me. Let's cook. I wish you guys could smell all of these spices, all of these delicious, beautiful Indian spices as I'm mixing this. Okay, so we're going to try it both ways. We're going to use a perforated baking tray, which is here, and we're also going to attempt to have a muffin style fritter. And of course, these are all baked. Traditionally, it's fried. We'll see how it comes out. Now I've doubled the recipe to make these because I wanted to try the baking tray and muffin style, but literally just half the recipe if you don't want to make so many. Truthfully, I would just keep it as is because these are really great frozen. You can defrost it at a later date, and I don't even think you'll have leftovers to freeze.
Freeze that or freeze after it's cooked?
Freeze after it's cooked.